In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create high-converting sales funnels with ClickFunnels 2.0. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just diving into the world of sales funnels, this guide will help you craft an effective strategy to boost your conversions. To begin our journey, it's essential to start by identifying your target audience. Understanding who your ideal customer is forms the backbone of your entire sales funnel. Spend some time considering the demographics, behaviors, and interests of the people who would benefit most from what you're offering. Think about the specific pain points they experience. What challenges do they face that your product or service can solve? Gaining clarity on these issues will help you tailor your messaging to speak directly to their needs. Next, let's consider what result your audience wants. What transformation are they seeking? This could be more sales, improved health, greater productivity, or any number of outcomes. Knowing this will allow you to align your offer with their desires, making your solution all the more attractive. It's crucial also to articulate clearly why they should choose your solution over any other. Is it your unique approach, the value you deliver, or perhaps your exceptional customer service? Establishing this point of differentiation will make your offering stand out in the marketplace. After you have a firm grasp on your target audience, it's time to select the right funnel type. For the purpose of this video, we are focusing on creating a sales funnel, which is particularly effective for guiding potential customers through the decision-making process and ultimately leading them to a purchase. A sales funnel works by capturing attention, nurturing interest, and converting prospects into customers through a series of steps. Selecting a sales funnel as your approach is a strategic choice that aligns with the goal of increasing conversions and maximizing sales. With these fundamentals in place, let's move on to crafting a powerful landing page. This is the front door to your sales funnel, and it needs to make a compelling first impression. Your landing page should be visually appealing and concise, addressing the pain points and desires of your target audience that you've identified earlier. Use clear and persuasive language to communicate the benefits of your offer and include a strong call to action urging visitors to take the next step, whether that's signing up for a free trial, downloading a resource, or making a purchase. Additionally, ensure that your landing page is optimized for mobile devices, as many users will access it on their phones or tablets. Keep loading times swift and navigation intuitive so nothing disrupts the user experience. By focusing on these elements, you set the stage for a high-converting sales funnel that effectively leads your customers from curiosity to conversion. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating a high-converting sales funnel with ClickFunnels 2.0. Stay tuned for more tips and insights to elevate your marketing efforts. And until next time, happy funnel building.